All right, Min An, are you ready? Ready? No, not ready. Why? Why? Why are you not ready? Okay, now.
Yes.
Okay, so let's do speaking activity. Min, could you tell me what are the differences that we can see in the picture 1 and 2?
Picture 1. The girl is the girl um has a scrap on her head, but in the picture 2, it have a hat on her head.
Okay,
Number
next.
num in the picture 1, the woman buying orange, but in the picture 2, the woman is buying apples. In the picture 1, the monkey is eat a banana, but in the
Eating.
picture 2, eating a eating a banana, but in the picture 2, the monkey is mm, um playing ball. In the picture 1 is the man have the bird, but in the picture 2, the man did not have the bird.
Doesn't have. Next.
Yeah.
Okay, what's next?
I don't know.
Is that all? Okay, Min, is that all?
Yes.
Okay, so as you can see here, Min An, I have here
Yeah.
first. In the first picture, the bird is eating a banana. While in picture 2, sorry, not the bird, the monkey. Okay, the monkey is eating the banana. But in picture 2, the monkey is playing or holding a ball, correct? Next.
Different.
Yeah.
In
Next.
the one,
Yeah.
the bag is short, but in the picture 2, the bag is long.
Correct. Very good. You can see there the differences among between the sizes of the bags. The first picture got a short bag, while the second picture got a long bag. Okay. Next, you can also see there that in the first picture, the man has a beard, while the other one doesn't have. Next, you also have there what the woman bought are different. In the first picture, the woman bought an orange, while in picture 2, it's a pear. It's not a it's not an orange. Next, in the picture 1, the woman is wearing a pink scarf, okay? But in picture 2, the woman is wearing a hat. That makes it different. Okay, so here are the following differences that we can see here in this picture. Now here, Min-an, let's talk about what do you do after school?
I'm
After school?
playing after school. I'm playing in the house.
Okay,
I'm
what do you play?
playing with uh my sister friend.
Oh, this friend of your sister?
Yeah.
Sister friend. What sister friend? Your sister? Who is
My
it?
sis
Your
sister
hmm?
is the and what it what are you doing?
Okay. As you can see here, you play with your sister friend. Am I correct? Sister friend? I'm thinking, what kind of sister friend? What do you play? Do you play hide and seek? Do you play with a ball? Video games? What was it?
I'm playing
What are the usual things that you play?
chess.
Ah, chess. Okay. Are you good in playing chess? Were you good?
Right.
Yeah. Wow. You know, men, chess, chess players are known to be intelligent. So it means, men, that you are intelligent because you were able to answer or to give the good what do you call this, the good game, or even a good time in playing this one, because it needs a hard time thinking on what to move in the chess game, because one mistake means a big difference already. That's good. Only that, man? Only chess? What else? What else?
Mm, um
Aside from playing chess,
big shots.
only chess? How about other sport games?
Basketball.
Oh,
Badminton.
basketball, badminton. Wow. Minan, you're so sporty because you love basketball. You need to have more time, more strength in playing basketball. It's not easy. Me, I don't know. Okay, Min, here. I have here questions about watching TV. What kind of movie you watch?
Um Conan.
What is it?
Conan.
Conan. What is that? What kind of movie is that? Can you tell me something about it? It's about.
Big one.
Oh, is it Detective Conan? Oh, really? Oh, when I
Is
was
is a book and movie is
yeah,
in my is
where?
in my parents' house.
Oh, man, when I was still young, I also watched Detective Conan in TV, but I don't read. You read and you watch. Wow. Oh, what kind of moment? I was thinking Detective Conan is still um can be read nowadays because it was 2 long years ago. Wow, man. What? Oh, my favorite. That's why, that's my favorite, man, the Raymond. It's so entertaining to me. You love it? Yeah, wow. And
Yeah.
you know, Min, they are Japanese cartoon character. Okay?
It's
It's Japanese. Is it Japanese? Yeah. Am
yeah.
I right? Oh, yeah. Oh, Min, how long does it take for you to watch Detective Conan? How many hours or how many minutes a day do you watch that?
30 minutes or 1 hour.
Oh, 30 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, that's good. Not too long. Since you watch movies, you can still have some time to study your lessons. That's good, Min-an. That's great. Okay, here. Oh, I have here playing football, Min. Have you tried playing football or no?
No,
No. Why?
I don't like this game
Min, why you don't like?
because it's not interesting.
Oh, you think it's not interesting. Oh, so you play, I think you will choose basketball more than playing football, right? Am I right? Okay. I think you love to play basketball other than football. But Min, don't you know that football is very famous in Vietnam, right?
No,
Do you agree? No? You don't know? You know, other students of mine, they love football so well. They love to play football
I
because it's so
I
entertaining for
know.
them. I know. Okay.
I
Who is, man, do you know,
I don't like it.
man, who is their favorite football player? Do you know
Dirty.
the names? Their favorite football player is who?
I don't like.
You don't know? Okay. Oh, we will not talk about it because you don't know. Okay, here we go. Min An, let's have a story telling. Okay, Min, can you tell me what happened in this picture? So you tell me what happened in number 1, 2, 3, and now number 4. In a form of story. Go.
Has it's on the top house. It isn't it the not the cat it can't climb down.
And
Then Harry and Peter all help the cat.
what happened
Mary,
next?
Harry and Peter is playing
Are
with the cat.
Mary and Peter are?
Mary and Peter are playing with the cat. Mary and Peter is the
Are?
are
What happened to the last picture?
don't all stare the to help the cat can climb up and climb down.
Okay, so as you can see here, in the first picture, you can see that Mary and Peter are worried because they saw a cat. Where was the cat, man, in the first picture? The cat is,
The cat is the clam in the top in the is the clam in the um
okay. The cat was climbing
the
on the
The top of the
Okay, what do
Okay.
you call to the top of the house? What do you call to that? That is a
climb up
that is a
Climb.
roof. Again, what is that?
the roof.
Yeah, a roof. Now in picture 2, look at there. In picture 2, you can see that Peter helped the cat to go down. What did Peter do? Peter climbed on where?
The tree.
Very good. Peter climbed on the tree to get the cat. And what happened in picture 3?
Is the Mary and Peter is playing with
Mary
the
and
cat.
Peter are playing now with the cat. Okay, on the ground because it's already in the down. Next, in number 4, as you can see, the cat climbed
The
up
cat.
again. Oh, what a very stubborn cat. Always climbing up. Okay, so man, that is what happened here in this 4 pictures. Okay, Min, look at here. Now, Min, let's try to find the difference. What's the difference in picture 1?
It's the book because
Very good, because
pigs are the
book is
the the book is the different because the book is the not a fruit.
okay, because the book is not a fruit. Next, Min, how about picture 2? Which one there is different?
It's different because it's not a toy.
It's not a toy, correct. Picture 3.
Picture 3, the picture 4 is different because
Why?
it's and almost there are the night.
Okay, almost nighttime. And picture 4, which one's different?
Picture 4, the picture 1 is different because it's in the classroom and almost there are the beach.
All right, very good. Okay, there you go, Min An. You were able to answer all the differences here in the first, second, third, and fourth picture. There you go, Min. You were able to answer all the given activities here in this speaking exercises. Okay, Min, it's already time. Now, teacher's time to say goodbye to you and see you again next time. Good job for tonight, Min. Goodbye.
See you
Goodbye. See you next time, Min.
next time.